So one of the biggest struggles in these houses that are right around 25 to 35 years old is replacing the cabinets and vanities. You're really left with the decision to rip out all vanities and kitchen cabinets and replace them and spend, $8,000 to $10,000 in the house, maybe more depending on how many bathrooms you got, or just to leave them and paint them and it just look sloppy. We're leaving the bases in the bathrooms and the kitchen, and we're just replacing the doors. And this is something I've looked for about 5 years, but we're able to find a local company. But as you can see, it's really good material. It's a soft close. And the thing is, we're only spending right about $2,200 for this whole house. That's 2 full bathrooms and this very large kitchen. The price never made sense for someone to do this, and whether we were just doing the doors or bases too. And then if they were coming, it was just like a really cheap material. And yeah, rather than spending $10,000, it's about $2,300. So it's a lot better option than painting cabinets that are usually past 30 years old. You can still see the lines in them. It just doesn't look good. So we really like this company, and we're gonna start using them a lot more.